my god, we so almost got killed.
Well, what just happened? Tell me. What happened?
We jumped over the fence and was about to ram. Damn you! Like, there is a
He was talking to his girlfriend, and we came out. That's true. We broke him off. He was missing her, and he had to go see her. That's all.
my heart is like, my heart.
See, excitement.
I'm like standing there, and then like this bull is gonna ram me. You're crazy, Sam. You're crazy. You're totally crazy, man. So for you all watching this, after he puts it on YouTube or something,
No.
like we almost got killed.
We didn't get to see the bull because I was trying to work my camera, and I could have totally gotten the bull jumping over, and like I could have done that.
Oh my god.
Oh well.